Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking two essentials. Make sure your iPhone is on a current iOS and has enough free storage. Apps often need 200 to 500 megabytes. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug into power so downloads don't stall. Next, open the App Store and tap your profile icon. This brings up available updates. You're not just clicking, you're preparing the system to download and verify each app safely before installation. Now you decide how to proceed. Review the list and prioritize critical or large apps first to control bandwidth. Tap Update All to queue everything, or tap Update next to individual apps if you want selective control. Watch the progress indicators. They show download and install stages. If a download stalls, swipe to pause and then resume, or toggle background app refresh to free resources. This method helps avoid corrupted installs and ensures apps update in a stable sequence. Finish by opening updated apps and checking key functions. Some require in-app updates or permission reacceptance. If an app remains stuck on waiting or fails to install, restart your iPhone. That often clears temporary locks. Make sure to recheck storage and your Apple ID if problems persist. As a final troubleshooting step, sign out and back into the App Store or reset network settings. That resolves account or connectivity issues without erasing your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.